Again.
Long nose, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. She's big on camera. Where's she hooked? Can you tell?
She hooked pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big one. I'll get my glove and kind of just grab her.
Yeah, I kind of want to get some pics of the long nose.
Yeah, that's an awesome one. See if she'll jump for it. She's pretty acrobatic. Come up there a little bit. I'll put on my glove here in a second. Crazy dude. Nice fish. One more time. Keep it right at the front. There you go, perfect. Nice fish. I'm ready when you are.
I'm just gonna let her pull it tight and give it to her.
Stand nice and straight to the front. Nice one. Don't worry about the rod. Screw the Yakuma. That feels like a strong fish to me. Think she's on her.
I think so.
I think you might get that 100. Here she is.
Oh, yeah. Easy 100.
You think?
I think.
Not that big in the face. We'll see. Only been a minute and a half. She gave up pretty easy. I don't think she's 6.
She did, though.
She's gonna make some good pictures.
Right.
She might be bigger than I think she is too.
You think what?
She might be a little bigger than I think she is too.
Yeah, after your recent adventures. Here she comes.
She didn't put that down that deep, did she? Wow, I got that absolutely perfect.
Did you?
100% perfect.
Let's get her.
Alright. There she goes. That's alright. See you later. Wow, alligator. There she is. Awesome. Very cool. Alright. Could be over under. She looks like she came up pretty far back. Yeah, right there. Good stance. I think that came up 6 foot back. Five. Nah, she's bigger. What is wrong with her? She's mutant. where she's hooked. That was the worst bait. Alright, you're good. Yeah, that's probably the best way. You're kind of going down. 60 inches of gar there. You can just put her head first and we'll kind of walk her down. Just like lay her down with her head going into the water. We'll just kind of push her together. It's okay. Just touch her a little bit right here. She should take off. Just wash her off. This should set. I got her. She's not that big. My feet are so hot. Do you want to go to the back? You'll be safer. Go behind me. And then start keeping her at the front. I think she's 100 pounds. I think.
She slapped me in the face.
Does she?
Yeah.
She might not be 100. I can't really tell, honestly. Can you look down the river every once in a while and make sure that we don't go into something? Just look over there and tell me if you see a big old tree or something. I see them. Wow, there's a lot down there.
How big do you think she is?
I think 100 pounds, 6 foot, but I could be a little wrong. Watch out, watch out, watch out. I'll turn her. Sorry.
Straight in the face, like in the, I barely even had time to close my eyes.
I had to get my rope up here. Alright, keep on looking at those trees for me, because we really don't want to go into them. As long as we don't hit one, should be fine. Alright, I think we might hit one. But, let's see here. Alright. I might be able to tie us off to one of those trees, really. Could help us. Let me know if we're gonna hit that one we're coming up on. We're going around it. Okay, I promise. I'm not trying to hurt you. Make sure I got it. Got her on this side.
But whenever you get them to the point where they're roped and stuff, they go docile.
Yeah, they do. Can you hold on to this for me?
She shouldn't go too crazy anymore, right?
She won't pull on the rod. She won't pull on the rod.
Okay. So just basically sit there now that you have the rope.
I'm gonna go to the front and kind of get her started. Might have to do it over this side.
All my stuff's in.
Should be right. Here we go.
Gotta be careful.
I got you.
Dad!
She over 100.
Oh my god.
Alright.
That was so scary.
Scoot over to the left. You can stay there, just scoot.
I don't want to go on her side.
They're fine.
She's looking at me.
You're alright.
She's looking at
Relax.
me.
Alright, here we are. We're back. We just released that one. She probably weighed about 80 pounds. Not quite 100. Not quite what we were looking for, but we're going to go back up and get another spot. Oh, she just came up right there. Came up and splashed.
Hey guys, I'm still here, you know.
But yeah, we're going to go back up and get our spot and see if we can get a bigger one. I was seeing some 7-footers, so, you know, we have a pretty good shot at getting one of those, hopefully.